everybody, it is Donna. I'm back. I just wanted to pop in and do a talking head video and let you guys know about my new channel, Sew Shabby Chic. I got into sewing about probably almost a year ago, and I have really enjoyed the journey. There'll be a quick little walk through my craft room at the end of the video, but I basically just wanted to get on here and let everybody know about the new channel, and this channel will be exclusively just me sewing, me learning, my journey. There'll be some one-on-one tutorials as I've learned them, like simple things like wristlets and coin purses, makeup bags, book sleeves, totes. I've made some totes. So if anybody wants to, share the channel and let people know that, this is something new that I'm doing. Now, to say that I am not going to be using the other channel, no. I will be putting videos back up on Creating with Donna, my other channel, that will be exclusively junk journaling, tutorials, and like crafty, just, I guess basically like the junk journaling, and there might be some planner stuff in there. I don't really have a lot of planning per se that I do right now, but if I decide to do a really pretty spread or something like that, I'll be sure to share it with you guys. So that channel will have probably one video a week, and this channel will have one video a week, because when you work full time, you can't do everything. So I've learned that the hard way. So anyway, I just wanted to let you guys know that I am back, and I hope that you will come along for the journey. I also would like to thank, so many of my subscribers have reached out, Trish, Elizabeth. Liz is always in communication with me. She is one of my really good friends from Texas. And, she's checked on me through everything over the last 2025. As you all well know, I lost my mom on July the 23rd of last year. So that was a very difficult time. And, I'm still getting through that, as well as being here for my dad. And so, excuse me, we're doing good. Every day is a new day, and I have a lot of friends around me that are helping me with the transition, but everything's going well. I'm just trying to get my craft room. You'll see at the end of the video, I'm really trying to get this craft room the way that I want it to be, which is going to be a slow process. I know that, I think that you will like some of the little things that I've done. I've had to do a lot of decluttering, and I'm probably going to have to do a lot more decluttering, because I just don't have the storage space in the room for everything, and I'm not using everything, and it's just sitting. So with that being said, things will have to get decluttered. I'll bring you along for all the journeys. The new sewing journey, the junk journaling. I have a journal that I need to get made. So I'm still doing all of that. And I want you all to know that I did take a very long break. And in the future, if there are weeks that a video doesn't go up, I will be sure to put that on my community tab. I would like to ask that everybody from my Creating Donna channel, if you'd come over and just show this channel some love to anybody that would like to begin a sewing journey, I would be more than thrilled to have them as part of the new channel. So with that also being said, I finally got all of the analytics and bugs worked out on the Creating with Donna channel. And so be sure you're liking and subscribing when you watch, because that really is going to help that channel to get back into a rhythm of people are watching. I've grown subscribers since I've been gone. I've grown watch time since I've been gone. So all of you that have done that, I greatly, greatly appreciate that, because it has really helped that channel to stay alive. And that really means a lot, because I just, between work and leave and taking care of mom and dad and everything that I had to do in 2025, YouTube was not on the top of the list. And I'm sure that most of you understand that when you have life situations that come up, that is going to take priority over everything. So, and I also do want to make you aware that the Sew Shabby Chic channel is going to be a faith-based channel. It will be most of the goods that I will be making, of course, will be everything goods, but there will be a lot of faith-based things like, you know, Bible totes and Bible bookmarks and different things like that. So everything that I do on the Sew Shabby Chic channel, I want that to all be, you know, for the glory of God. So I hope that you guys will join me in this new journey and come along and start back the comments and stay in touch with me and let me know what you think. Let me know things that you would like to see me do, even if it's just simple one-on-one, just a straight stitch, how to, you know, thread your sewing machine, that type of thing. So anyway, I just wanted to get on here and do a face-to-face to say, hello, I'm back, and I look so forward to seeing you guys, and I hope that you will enjoy this new journey with me. I appreciate each and every one of you so, so much, and I will see you on my next video, which will be next week. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Hey everybody, welcome to Sew Shabby Chic. This is my new channel. I'm doing a little craft room tour for you. I just wanted you to see everything I've been working on. Please subscribe and hit the like button. This is my cutting table. My name is Donna, and this is going to be the new spring collection. So, all of these fabrics are Riley Blake or Moda. Here you're going to see my mirror that I'm not going to get in front of. And then, of course, here's my shelf with my little quilting thing on there. And here is my sewing table. You can see that pretty good. My little dishes. And, of course, that's going to be for my Valentine's stuff I'm going to be working on. And then, of course, I made this little ironing cart that was Pinterest inspired. And then some other projects I'm going to be sharing with you guys. It's going to be this little, these are little jar openers. So these are unfinished, and I'm going to do a jar opener one-on-one class, little video. And then this here, I'm going to cut out blocks and put lots of lace around them. And I'm going to make a banner, and it's going to say Donna's Designs, because that was originally going to be my actual channel name, but then I decided to change it. So I have quite the view out my window, and this is the new craft space. I'm very, very happy with it so far. These are the actual prints, and if you do not have Guggenheim scissors, you're missing out. They are absolutely top-notch. So this is actually blocks that are supposed to look like bricks for a sew as you go, you know, hand sew quilt that I'm going to be doing. But this is the new fabric that I picked up at the King's Daughters downtown where I live, fabric shop. I have a really nice lady, Miss Sheila, that, you know, she is fabulous, and she has beautiful, beautiful fabrics. So I'm very lucky to have a shop downtown. But anyway, so here is going to be the outside of part of my, this will be outside, these will be inners, outside inner lining. And I have an extra of that, so that might be in there too if I run out of this. This, and then outside and inside. What I will be offering will be, you know, just simple things. Wristlets, coin purses, Bible totes, bookmarks, things like that. So I just wanted to do a quick little introduction of the room. And I'm going to cut away from this part of the video. And I'm going to add in a talking head, and we can get caught up on everything.